So, the fate of the Pixel Fold 2 and the Android version it will debut with hinges on its launch timing. Should it hit the shelves in the initial half of 2024, approximately 12 months after its predecessor, the device is likely to come pre-installed with Android 14. Conversely, if its release coincides with the unveiling of Android 15 in the latter half of the year, consumers can expect the latest iteration of Google's operating system. There's palpable anticipation surrounding Google's potential enhancements to foldable-specific features with the Pixel Fold 2. Competitors such as Samsung and OnePlus have made significant strides in this domain, leaving room for Google to catch up. However, the first-generation Pixel Fold fell short of achieving comparable refinement. Nevertheless, there's optimism regarding Google's commitment to enhancing software support for the Pixel Fold 2. The company appears dedicated to extending OS and security patch support for up to 7 years, potentially extending support for a Pixel Fold 2 released in 2024 until 2031. This prolonged support duration could alleviate some of the financial strain associated with the premium price tag of foldable devices. Insights gleaned from Android beta versions and developer previews suggest that Google is not only drawing inspiration from OnePlus in terms of design, but also in software functionality. Specifically, Google aims to introduce a feature that facilitates seamless transitioning of apps from the Pixel Fold's inner display to the outer screen, akin to Oxygen OS's current app handling mechanism. While this functionality was teased in early beta stages, it wasn't fully realized until the launch of Android 15 DP2 in March. While it may be disappointing for this feature to be reserved for Android 15, if the Pixel Fold 2 isn't unveiled until autumn, it will inevitably ship with this version. Regarding camera capabilities, the original Pixel Fold garnered praise at launch, particularly within the context of foldable devices. However, recent comparisons have revealed that Google still has room for improvement. Notably, the camera bar design allows for larger sensors, compared to competitors like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. While it remains uncertain whether Google plans to upgrade or modify its sensors, a practice it infrequently engages in enhancements in process, and the inclusion of AI-driven features are expected. In summary, the Pixel Fold 2 holds promise for significant advancements, particularly in software support and foldable-specific features, positioning it as a competitive offering in the foldable smartphone market. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel Fold 2? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.